I've been testing out this laundry detergent for a week now, and this is what you should know.
This came with a container and a detergent powder packet. All I do is unscrew the cap and then I fill with hot water from my sink to the fill line. Then I open up the wash packet and empty the contents into the container. Next, I screw the cap back on and then I give it a good shake. I went with the signature scent and it's not too strong for us. For a full load, I like to do a half of the cap. And then I just pour it right into here where my detergent goes. And my clothes will come out smelling fresh and clean. My kids and I have eczema and we haven't noticed any irritation since we started using this. I'm also impressed with how well this tackles stains. If you're looking for non-toxic laundry detergent, I highly recommend trying this truly free laundry wash.